What are your thoughts and advice for the teachers in general? Because they're I think one of the most undervalued professions, the educator. They actually hold the power of the human capital, the future human capital in every society. Within Australia, I think the teacher is very underrated. They battle with a number of different challenges. Obviously, keeping up with technology is one of them. Access to information and time, whole array of things. I can talk about that for a whole day. But knowing those things at a certain extent, what's your advice for them, especially within Watkins steel fabrication context, and these technologies are being part of your day-to-day life? Do you have any advice for the teachers?
Totally. I'm very familiar with this area because I used to be a teacher myself, and I know how challenging it is to deal with like a heterogeneous cohort, like students with different backgrounds, different interests, and how to stimulate them and to try new technologies and to invest in learning more about math, exercising, programming, and because math is all about exercising like programming. You have to practice it to get good at it, to understand where are your weaknesses and invest the time to bridge that gap so you'll be able to do more and more complex stuff.